Hi, good people. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It all depends with wherever you are tuned in and the time you will be watching this video. From my end, it's around 6:30 in the evening on a Wednesday. The year is 2004, the last bit end of the month. This video is coming to you live from my mini business, which is an agro dealer shop. I'm just winding up the day and go home and rest. And I am a pet person, and as always, if you have watched my previous videos, more not than often, I usually shoot about cats, dogs, rabbits, chicken, and whatever. And today, I just got my leftovers for the pets. That's my cat and actually four puppies, of which their mom passed on. The mom unfortunately was hit by a vehicle on the road and she passed on. So seemingly I'm the mother to the pets, the lovely pets. Stay tuned and watch how they will react. Actually, we have become so close such that when they hear the gate open or when they just hear any door opening, they know it's food time. It all depends on the time that will be arriving. And they know that I usually arrive at around 7, 8 in the evening. So when they just hear any door opening or any gate opening at around that time, they know it's food coming. So by the time I'll be arriving, I know it will be somehow dark, but just stay tuned. By the way, do you know how to snap? Can you snap your fingers like that? Fast, quick, fast, quick minus slow. Can you snap your fingers like this? Let me know in the comment section below. But meanwhile, let's go home. Off we go from our mini agro shop. Off we go. Those are silage bags, by the way. Off we go. And here is the food for the puppies, well packed. And we are waiting for a taxi to go home. We are going that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way. That's where we are going. And here is the vehicle. We have arrived, and look, that is the gate over there. Just see these guys, they are already on me. See? The moment you touch the gate, they are there. See? Just see. Those are two. So they two of them remaining, plus the kitty cat. And they know the way. They know where. Another one is here, the third one. Now remaining one. One remaining. The fourth one is there. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? And the cat is there. So the food stays here first. Those are the containers. It knows where the food is. It jumps there. The goodness with the cat is that it knows where the food is. so it doesn't bother me, unlike these fellows. And they follow you up to the house. They're complaining here. They come to the house complaining. Okay, let's go. Out, 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 out. You see the complaints? These guys. It's feeding time. That sound, that is a hungry sound. And those jumps, excitement. That's excitement, anticipation, and missing me. Missing me. Let's go for food now. We eat from here. Happy now. Bone cracking. Now that sounds bone cracking. That sounds means don't dare snatch my bone. You see that sound? You hear? Oh, you hear it. You hear it. Cat purring. This is how comfortable they always want to be. And if I throw it away, it will still come back. They always want comfortability when they want it. Cat purring. And they purr when they need comfortability, you see. They always want comfortability to the person that feeds them. If you talk to it in a soft tone, it will always come back to you. They're just like human beings. And that purring, you hear that sound? It means comfortability, and the way it's pecking itself, it's comfortable. It knows it's in a safe zone. However much I try throwing it down, it will just come back. See? One thing you have to understand about these pets is that when you talk to them nicely, when you feed them, when you allow them to be in your space, so long as they are behaving, and by the behavior also comes when you direct or when there's a designated place, if it's in the house, for them to be doing their thing. They'll always be clean and they'll always behave. Just like human beings, when you talk to them in a harsh note, you'll never see a cat or a dog coming near you. When they see you, they'll always vanish. But like this fellow, however much I throw it away, it doesn't want to. And they usually make funny sounds. A cat or a dog will make a sound to depict satisfaction, anger, or hunger, or there's a danger. They'll make some sounds, and you know there's some danger. They also make some sounds. Actually, satisfaction, yes, I've said that. And then if there's also danger, and then there's a way also they play with the ears. When you see the ears going backwards, it means there's something dangerous, like this. Or they stand alert like this, they are happy. And the sound, that sound is comfortability. No anger, no hunger. So they always want to be pampered like that. And you always check
Do this when you have washed them. They are free of fleas and mites, so that the mites cannot jump off from the cat to the kids or even yourself. Like this one, I usually do wash them like twice a week. So what I want to say is just the comfortability, the bond that they create with you. However many times you throw them away, sprucing up.